Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel today. My name is Dozier and you're welcome to my channel Dozier Talbot. So today I will be talking about something very peculiar. Some people may know and most people may know, but they may not know the value attached to it, and some people don't know it entirely. So you need to hang on here with me to the end of this video. I would explain to you the processes and what I mean. And what I'll be talking about today is events. I'll be talking about how you can use your phone to know and find events happening around you. No, these events are not the one that you hear on radio. They are not on the one that maybe you're on your social media sites like Facebook or Instagram and you see adverts that just came to you. They are not the type you will get on TV or on billboards. But I'll be showing you how you can by yourself find the kind of events you want to attend. And let me tell you, no matter the profession you are you a student, are you a professional, are you a whatever field you find yourself, event is one thing that is key. Event is so key to your profession. Why? Because you have opportunity to meet more people who are in the pool of your profession, and there will be a professional network. You would also have the opportunity to know more of what is happening around and within your profession. When you attend events, when you go for events, when you mingle, you increase your social network. Especially one thing is that in an event you meet a like-minded tailored kind of audience. So that is why attending events are good. And some events right now post COVID has taught everyone that many events, more often, it has been happening before COVID, but its acceptability are growing by the day. Virtual events as well. So when I talk events, I mean both physical and virtual events. I will be showing you three places, three platforms that you will use your phone and you can sign yourself up, you can register yourself up for an event. So if this is the kind of thing you would like to know about, just stick on this video. Do not go anywhere. So the first site I'll be showing us today is a site called eventbrite.com. Eventbrite.com, as the name implies, it's a pool. It shows you the pool of events happening around your city and outside your city and your country as well. So this is eventbrite.com, and my present location is in Abuja. So you would see popular in Abuja. Here in Abuja, I can always switch and change city. I can choose to type Lagos as, let's say I'm in Lagos, and I will get a pool. Okay, Abuja doesn't want to go. So okay, you can see use my current, let's use Abuja. Abuja is my current location. So let's check out, and we can see the categories of events on this site. There are music categories, music events, there are performing and visual arts, there are travel and outdoor, there are health, there are hobbies, business, food and drinks, sports and fitness. So let's see the ranking events currently in Abuja. We'll see Agricon Conference and Expo 2022. This event is taking place by September 26th at 10 a.m. That's when it's starting, and registration is free. Most cases, it's important you register for these programs. It's not most cases, it's necessary so that the event planners of this event can know how many people they are expecting. The next of this sort is Abuja Business Network. The next is Abuja Business Network and all. So more events. You see Study Abroad Education Expo Abuja. This one is September 28th. So these sites are for professionals, people in the academic world, people who are wanting to get admission. You see in-depth Excel training, executive and dashboard. So there are different Python for data analysis. You see the data, then you can, and when you open, let's say I open this particular event. So when this particular event loads up, we can see details about registration for this event is free. You can see our Python for data analysis class is scheduled to hold on September 6th to 7th, 2022. UB's Edge are the ones organizing. So the location for this training is Abuja Training Center, Hotel Rosebank, 33 Port Harcourt Crescent, off Gibeon Street, Gariki Area 11. You can read more and more about the event and know what it entails and know what you're okay. There is a cost actually. The training is not free. You can see the cost is 120,000 naira per participant. So you can also read and reach out to the organizers of these events for more details. This is typical of how every other event is going to be. Try to read the about of the event to get more detail. So the site number 2 or the platform number 2 is another site called tentimescom. You can see find your next opportunity. Going for events is actually an opportunity. So similar to the first platform, to the first site, Eventbrite, you would also see pool of events by categories and by country. The good thing with these platforms is that you can search for events happening in other countries and in other cities. I am currently in Abuja, Nigeria. So you can always find this. There is Dubai and some. You can also go for events in other countries if it's a virtual event and it's allowed that people from other countries can attend. You can see live webinars. You can see so many categories. Browse events by country. You can choose to browse events by country. So there are so many activities, so many events, so many pool of events for you to choose from here. That depends on the kind of events that pleases you. So if you want me to show you how to create an account on these platforms, be it tentimescom or Eventbrite, let me get that in the comment section. But the registration, the how to register on this platform, they are pretty simple and it's actually free. So the next step you take is very popular. Your Facebook. Your Facebook. How many of you know that you can check for events on Facebook? Let me see a thumbs up in my comment section. Okay, that being said, so the step is to these 3 lines at the right, top right, not the topmost part. What you need to do is to click on it. So once you've clicked on it, you see many options pop up. So you keep going down, you see Reels, Marketplace, Friends, Groups. You get down to the option where it says Event. And when you get to Event, you click on Event. So you see for you, so the kind of events I may be interested in. Local, you see local, you see this week, you see classes. So these are events happening. This is a Facebook like event. I can click on interested, and once the time and date comes up, I'll be notified. So these are events. So let's look at local events. Let's know the events happen. Google Workspace Masterclass. This one is in Abuja. This one is happening in Abuja. So Business Carnival and Summit 2022 edition, Abuja edition. So it's in as a national stadium. So once I click on anyone, okay, happening now. So once I click on this, I can get the details of this event, public, anyone on or off Facebook, what to expect. So I can read what to expect, get the details of this event, and eventually I make myself available. So those are how you can find events that are happening within, around, and far from you. Okay, if you felt you found value in this video, or if this video did one or two things, or exposed you to a new knowledge, or made you see more value, I would like you to the kind thing you can do is give a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So when I make videos like this, you will always be the first person to be notified about the video. Thank you for watching.